Hello guys, today I have an awesome product to review on this. This is a VR box with game control. Let me unbox it. There's some boring stuff over there. Uh, that's way hard to remove that. Let me grab my knife. It's really idiotic. It needs a lot of force, and then it finally got off. Let me remove that, and then there's nothing much written on the box. We have the branding over there, VR box. Then let me open it. That's the VR box, and that's the controller. VR box, that looks great. Those are the speakers, and then that's the controller. Let me open that and show you what's that. And that's the joystick, and I think many of the gaming PlayStation players know about that, the ABC and that's for switching on and off. That's for switching it to Android or iOS. And there are two triggers, and then we have a cell to keep the slots for the cells and batteries. Let me close it. Those are the eyepieces. You can even move them. You can even move the eyepieces. Let me put it. Let me show you the eyepieces. It feels great opening that. See that? That's way good. You need to install this app called VEVR to see the VR videos. Let me open it and show you. See, they'll give you a guide. Boring stuff over there. Get started. Then skip this. Let me open it and show you. You can see anything. Let me go to this. Keep it in the VR box, and then see the video. Wi-Fi recommended. Okay. Got it.
Ayaw tanong takuri ko na balik tanan ng gawandwa doon na kortotan.
See this? Oh, it feels great. Even the text. Okay, I think you're feeling bored. Let me close it.